All right, are you ready for La Tigers Ride Along Trivia?
Uh-oh, I'm ready. Let's do it.
My name is Alyssa, and I'm here in San Diego today with...
Gabriel Aragon, San Diego Marketing Manager for La Tigers.
And what are we doing today?
Today we're riding along, doing our day-to-day shop visits.
And why is this important that you, being a part of La Tigers, go out and visit these dealerships?
They might know of someone who went down. It's useful for them to use some of our resources.
Connected to the motorcycle lawyers in case a motorcycle rider goes down. We use our brand, and together, it works. Coronado Beach is definitely a community-based dealership, and we're family-based. So, we have a lot of new riders that come from the military. They are inexperienced and green as can be. As with my own kid, I want them to have as much education if they're going to put that, risk underneath them. So, to have that connection is definitely beneficial. My name is Coach. I am the General Sales Manager here for Coronado Beach Harley-Davidson.
We just wrapped up dealership number 1. What dealership are we going to now?
We're headed to National City Motorcycle.
Many of the La Tigers ride, you and I ride, and today we are stuck in a van.
Yes.
In the meantime, I can torture Gabriel with some trivia. So, true or false? Do La Tigers only service a few states?
That is false. We are a nationwide network.
How do La Tigers and dealerships build a strong relationship in the motorcycle community?
It comes down to working hand in hand. It's all about building a win-win relationship. We look at it as something, okay, how can I add to this event? Well, maybe I can call up 91X and have them, throw it up on the radio and blow it up, and hopefully some more people show up. And just bring our resources to the table.
It's good to know that there's someone out there. Just talking about that today, where someone was in an accident and they didn't know that there's actually someone that actually advocates for them. We definitely would give them La Tigers information. My name is John Huckins. I'm the manager here at National City Motorcycle.
Appreciate all the help you guys give us. We've had a great relationship. We do get customers that need, some help on your end.
It's a win-win. We can speed up the process with bikes getting fixed, and really it comes down to just helping out the riders.
True or false? La Tigers only works with motorcyclists that have insurance.
That is false. I would recommend full coverage to start off, and then it's really important for you to add underinsured or
that UIM,
yes,
uninsured and underinsured.
Make sure you're covered in case you run into or get hit or whatever the case is by someone who does not have insurance.
I survived the La Tigers ride along with Gabriel from San Diego La Tigers. He has not thrown me out of the van yet, so call it a win. There are some helpful links in the description, and as always, give us a follow if you can. We will see you in the next one.